Right. The next question is to determine the values of M and C. So what is M and C? M and C, we look back here, right? M and C is the missing values in our straight line equation. So they could basically say determine the equation of the straight line. And in order to determine the equation of the straight line, you need two things, right? You need your gradient, which is M, and you need your C, which is your y-intercept, or your y value of your y-intercept rather. So if we look at the function of, let's make this just like in another color, let's go with green. So this graph over here, which is our straight line, touches at both C and it touches at D. Great, we have the coordinate of D already. I think we not is it D? No, B rather. Sorry. We have the coordinate of B over here, right? That coordinate we have, and we don't have the coordinate of C, but C is the y-intercept of your parabola. So let's find that first, okay? So B, let's just write that again. B is your 5 and your 0. And C is your y-intercept. So y-intercept, so x is going to be 0. The y value you must find. How are you going to find your y-intercept of your quadratic, right? Your parabola. You're going to make x 0. So let's find our equation of our parabola, which is f. And we're going to make x 0. So that is going to be 0 minus the 2. This gets squared. And then you must minus 9. So that's going to be minus 2 squared, which is a positive 4. Minus 9 gives you a minus 5. This coordinate is 0, minus 5. And this is C. So minus 5 over there. Okay. So we have coordinate B and coordinate C. And we are going to use coordinate B and coordinate C to determine the equation of our straight line. We're going to find M first. M is the gradient. And we are going to use our gradient formula. So we're going to say M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and I'm going to do the substitution together at the same time, right? So what is one of my coordinates? I'm going to put C in first, which is 0 and minus 5. The x value is 0. The y value is minus 5. Okay, then I'm going to put my negatives in. And now I'm going to go put the coordinate of B. The coordinate of B is 5 and 0. So I'm going to put my 5 there and my 0 over there. Okay, so because I did it in that way, I prevented myself from making certain mistakes. So I remember always when you use this formula, the y is on top, x is at the bottom. Remember that there's minuses in the middle. And remember this has to go together as a coordinate and that has to go together as a coordinate. Okay, let's solve this. That's minus 5 divided by minus 5, which will equal to a positive 1. So our m value is 1. So let's go back to our straight line, which is going to be y equals m is 1x plus C. How are you going to find C? In order to find C, you need to substitute a certain coordinate. So any one of these, right, you must go put into your equation. Let's go put this one in instead of that one. Okay, because if I put the equation, okay, well, let's just put that equation in. So in fact, we should know C already because we've got the coordinate of C, which is the y-intercept. Okay, but anyway, let's do the substitution. And the substitution that we're putting in is 5, 0. Okay, so we are going to say 5, or 0 rather, is 5 plus C. So C is minus 5. So we'll say y is equal to x minus 5. That's the equation of our straight line. What do they ask for next? Determine the distance of E to F. So let's see where E to F, where E and F lie on the axis of symmetry. So it's on the axis of symmetry. So you already know the x value over here on the axis of symmetry is 2. You know the x value. So you want to say F, are we finding from E to F? E is over here. Let's just show this easier. E is there. E to F. So that's the length you want to find. So what is that length going to be? We can go find the y value there, and that will give us this length. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to take the coordinate 2 as x, which is this x value. Substitute the 2 into the straight line. That will give me the y value of the coordinate f. And then the distance from 0 up until the y value of coordinate f is the distance of E to F. Okay, so again, what am I going to do? I'm going to put the 2 into the straight line. So where's the straight line? Straight line's there. I am putting 2. I think the straight line's name was G, so let's just call it G of X equals to X minus 5. Okay, I just like that notation because now when I do my substitution, it's nice and easy to see what I'm substituting. So that is minus 3. So this coordinate F, is positive 2 and negative 3. Okay, they want to know the distance from E to F. So the distance from that 0 till the negative 3 is going to be, so EF is going to be 3 units. Okay, let's go back. Let's check if that's what they wanted. Just to confirm, yeah, that is our 3 units. Let's cut this video here and then we will do 7.6 in the next video.